iOS 26.2 looks amazing with its new liquid glass design, but it's killing your iPhone speed. I'm Protech Genius, and these are the 5 settings you must change right now to unlock peak performance. Setting 1. Reduce transparency. The liquid glass effects require massive GPU power. Go to Settings, then Accessibility. Then Display and Text Size. Turn on Reduce Transparency. This removes the heavy blur effects on your dock and folders, making your UI feel instantly more responsive. If your phone feels faster already, subscribe to my channel. Setting 2. Reduce motion. Apple's zoom animations are pretty, but they add a half-second delay to everything. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion. This replaces the zoom with a lightning-fast fade, making app switching feel instantaneous. Setting 3. Background App Refresh. Apps are constantly phoning home in 26.2. Go to Settings, then General, then Background App Refresh. Switch this to Wi-Fi only, or better yet, turn it OFF for apps like Instagram or games that don't need to sync every second. Setting 4. The RAM Flush Hack. If your phone feels sluggish, you need to manually clear your RAM. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch, then Assistive Touch and turn it on. Now go to the Power Off screen, tap the Assistive Touch button, and long press the Home button icon. Your screen will flash, that means your RAM is cleared and your speed is back. Setting 5. App Store Video Autoplay. Browsing the App Store shouldn't lag your whole phone. Go to Settings, then App Store, then Video Autoplay. Turn this OFF. This stops videos from loading and playing automatically, freeing up your CPU. Your iPhone is now optimized for pure speed. But performance is nothing without power. To make sure your battery lasts as long as your new speed boost, you need to watch my guide on the proper battery settings to boost battery life. Hit like, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click the video on your screen right now to master your battery life.